In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect BigQuery to Google Sheets, a powerful way to leverage your data directly within your spreadsheets. If you're working with large data sets or need to pull in data from your BigQuery projects into Google Sheets for analysis, this tutorial will simplify the process for you. To get started, open up Google Sheets. You can do this by heading to your Google Drive and either creating a new spreadsheet or opening an existing one. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a look at the top menu. You'll see several options like File, Edit, View, and so forth. We're interested in the Data menu for this tutorial. So go ahead and click on Data. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Data Connectors. This submenu will give you several options to connect various data sources to your spreadsheet. For our purposes, select Connect to BigQuery. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to link your spreadsheet directly to the data housed in BigQuery. Once you select Connect to BigQuery, a side panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll choose the specific data you want to bring into Google Sheets. You'll first need to select your project. If you have access to multiple projects, make sure to choose the one that contains the data you're interested in analyzing. After selecting your project, you'll be prompted to choose a table. This table is essentially your dataset within BigQuery. Take your time here to ensure you pick the right table, as it's the data you'll be working with in your spreadsheet. If you're not sure which table to select, you might want to revisit your BigQuery console to review the data. Once you've selected both your project and table, Google Sheets will automatically create a connection to BigQuery and pull the data into your spreadsheet. You'll see the data populate your sheet almost instantly, enabling you to start analyzing it right away. A quick tip: if you plan to use this data regularly, consider creating named ranges or using formulas to automate updates. This can save you time and ensure your analyses are always using the most current data from BigQuery. And there you have it. You've successfully connected BigQuery to Google Sheets. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access and manipulate your BigQuery data right from within Google Sheets, making your data analysis process both efficient and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Happy data analyzing!